Hello, Slush. Hello, everyone. So let's begin. My name is Domantas, and I'm co-founder and CEO at TransferGo. And TransferGo today is the fastest growing account-to-account remittance startup in Europe. Banks, Western Union, MoneyGram, all of these, they charge a lot for international remittance. And it takes up to 3 business days to deliver the money. So everyone who's ever done international money transfer knows what a tedious process that is. But now there is a beautiful solution to that, and that is TransferGo. The way it works, it's very simple. It's an elegant solution to a big problem. What we do is we don't make an international transfer. The way it works, we have 2 pots of money in different countries. So here we have Britain and Germany as an example. And a sender pays us locally in the UK, and we pay out from our local account in Germany directly. So this fundamentally decreases the cost of transaction and enables a next business day delivery of funds, which is market leading. No one does that in the market today. So, and we charge our customers £2.50 fee plus a small markup on the exchange, which is up to 10 times cheaper than banks, Western Union, MoneyGram, and all the lot. And since the cost of it are very, very minimum, our gross is 75% and will only improve once we grow at scale. So let's talk about the market briefly. Remittance market is unlike any other market you've come across. In 3 years, it's going to be 500 billion globally. Account-to-account alone is going to be 100 billion of that. And it's also a very rapidly changing market. So currently, account-to-account remittance is just 2% of global remittances. But in 3 years, it's going to be 20%. Which means that people are actively choosing online and mobile solutions over old school cash and going to kiosk solutions, which just don't work. So why are we the fastest growing? Let me give you some numbers. Over this year, 1 year operation, we have achieved and sustained 30% month-to-month growth in registrations, 40% growth in transactions, and we now have more than 12,000 customers around Europe. And most important is this, is that 98% of our customers would recommend us to their friends and family, and 66% already have. So the product is great, it's working, and it's spreading like wildfire among immigrant communities in London and beyond. So we're currently doing the European transfers. Just today, we finally got the authorized payment license. So in 2 weeks, we're launching transfers from all Europe to all Europe. Very excited about that. In the next 3 to 6 months, we'll grow our infrastructure globally and open bank accounts and enable transfers from Turkey, India, South Africa, and all other emerging markets. OK, so marketing very quickly. On average, we get a return on an active user, the ones who make transfers, within 2 months. On average, and very, very frequently, it happens on the first transaction. So it's really, really good business model. OK, us and TransferWise, very important. And this is how we're different from them. In the first year, we've done 3 times more transfers than them with 3 times less investment. And the reason why we've done this is because we targeted low-end market and focused on micro remittances with the next business day offerings as standard. They don't do that. Their standard is 2-4 business days. And we only do that in 3 markets. So we're going to continue doing that and make these transfers more affordable to more people. Just today, we got authorized payment institutions, so that gives us a year advantage to any other competitor who's going to be entering the market. We also have a proprietary technology in place, which allows us to do what Vonga did for credit risk assessment. We'll do that for money laundering prevention. Really excited about that. So, Series A. Next year, with Series A, we will turn over 120 million euros across Europe, and we're breaking even actually in a couple of months. So we're in a pretty comfortable position. We're now raising a Series A round of 2 million euros, which allow us to scale across Europe and open marketing funnels. We already have 400,000 committed from our current investors, Practica Capital. Very happy to have these investors on board. And now here we're looking for great European and global investors who can reinforce our team and help us build a global product here. So money will be used for digital, offline marketing, expansion of the offices, working capital, all the lot. And just to finish off, it's been, for the past couple of years, people who earned less had to pay most for international remittance. And with TransferGo, that changed. It's already changed in Europe, and now let's scale this to global communities across the globe. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So for any type of payment platform, the margins are, or the fees are quite low. How are you going to get to volume?
Our core distributions is digital and word of mouth. So since we're approaching this bottom and low income segments, these people talk about services that help benefit their lives, and they spread this across the communities. That's why it's really important to understand that if 66% of our customers recommend TransferGo, that's actually free distribution for a great service. And word of mouth, we have a great referral program that people can earn money by telling about our service to their friends and family. So this is our core distribution. Of course, we have PR, which works great. We have other methods, but referral is the key for us.
Do you have anything in your technology portfolio that you could find patents for?
As I mentioned briefly, we're working on an automated money laundering prevention. And we will be, some of the algorithms are in the process of being built. It's too early to tell if that's patentable or not, but one thing is for sure, that they're going to help us decrease the fundamental cost of goods sold. Because if you look at Western Union, they're dealing with cash. And in Vilnius, Lithuania alone, they have 250 people sitting in front of their laptops just looking at AML. Since we're looking at account to account, we can digitize and automate that. And that's, for long term, is going to be a really great way to have a competitive advantage and maintain the margins.